Hello, have you been looking for a good home workout plan you can do with just dumbbells? Well, in today's video, we're going to discuss a 5-day at-home dumbbell workout plan for beginners that can effectively target all major muscle groups. So this plan focuses on full body workouts, allowing for consistent progress and strength gains. Each day targets specific muscle groups to avoid overworking and promote recovery. So I'm going to post this workout in the description so you guys can have it. Doesn't matter what you do with it. You can try it, you can do it. You can let me know how it works in the comments, but all you need are dumbbells for this. So the first day, you're going to do chest and triceps. The first exercise will be the Dumbbell Bench Press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Now, if you don't have a bench to lay on or something to lay on where you can get the full range of motion where you're going, past the plane, then you can just lay on the floor. You're just going to have a restricted range of motion. So the next one is Incline Dumbbell Press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. So this, you can lay on the floor again, but you can put a pillow underneath you. You can put a cushion from the sofa underneath you, so long as you try to get around a 15-degree incline. So then the next one is a Dumbbell Decline Press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Now this one, what you'll do is you can take that same sofa cushion and lay it down with a pillow underneath this end so you're declined. Dumbbell Tricep Extension. So this is from you bend over, put your hand on a chair or something, and you want to extend backwards. This is those. And that is going to be 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. And then you can do the overhead dumbbell tricep extensions instead, which is 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, which is just overhead. You want to try to get that as far back as possible, and then just, like that. So then you also will do diamond push-ups, 3 sets of as many reps as possible. So this is going to test you. So again, you're going to failure. You cannot do any more. That's what that means. As many reps as possible. Now this has many benefits of doing this. 1, it's going to stimulate muscle growth, and 2, it really builds a great mind to muscle connection. So now day 2, you're going to do back and biceps. You're going to do a dumbbell row. You're going to do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per side. And again, that's a row just pulling straight back. Dumbbell Bicep Curls. We all know the curls. What you want to do is you want to keep your elbows in and just curl straight up. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Now you're going to do concentration curls. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per side. Now also, the next one is going to be Dumbbell Shrugs, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Then the next exercise is reverse dumbbell curls, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Day 3 is legs and glutes, dumbbell squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Dumbbell lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg. Don't forget that, per leg. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Dumbbell Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Dumbbell calf raises, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Day 4 is shoulders and core. Dumbbell shoulder press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Lateral raises, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Arnold press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell crunches, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Dumbbell Russian twist, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. So each side. Now this is the day 5 is a full body conditioning. Dumbbell squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Dumbbell lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg. Dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per side. Dumbbell bicep curls, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell overhead presses, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell Russian twist, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. So something that's important to consider for beginners, warm up. Start each workout with a 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio and dynamic stretching. And then when you're done with your workout, you want to cool down. End each workout with 5 to 10 minutes of static stretching. You want to focus on proper form and maintaining good form throughout each exercise to prevent injury. You want to progress gradually. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the weight or reps as you get stronger. And listen to your body. Take rest days when needed and don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're just starting out. So let me know how this workout goes for you. I appreciate you guys watching. And if you could, give me a like and a subscribe. Thanks.